Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if your start menu is unresponsive or is grayed out, whether you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, how we can resolve this unresponsive start menu problem. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just right click here and click on Task Manager. And here on the top, you can see this search menu right here. Now, right here, Start, and this option will be in the background processes. It says Start here. So what you can do is just right click here and click on End Task. So what it will do is it will close it and it will reopen the Start menu again. It will basically refresh it. So hopefully after that, you should be able to use the Start menu. Now what you can also do here is run a new task and click on create this task with admin privileges and right here CMD. And let's open that up. Now just right here SFC, give it a space and just write / and write scan now. Just make sure that scan now is one word without spaces. So hit enter, it will begin the system scan. So it might take some time to process. So I'll just fast forward the process and see you after that. And now guys, once it is done, just close out of here and just close out of here and just restart your PC. And hopefully that should resolve the problem. And let me just quickly restart. And hopefully that should resolve your problem, guys. After restarting, it should work. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if it works for you, just comment down below so that it can help all the community out here, and I'll see you in the next one.